Hi guys, this is Ju Travel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the official performance video of BGYO with their new song entitled Headlines. So I'm really excited for this one, guys, because this is the first time I'm going to see them perform this song. So before proceeding to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Akala ko guys yung music video nila ang i-release nila, di pala, yung performance video pala. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction to their lyric video of this song Headlines, just check on my channel. I just uploaded that one a few days ago. So gustong gusto ko tong kanta na to eh. Gusto ko yung beat, gusto ko parang groovy, na punky, na parang sound nila dito is parang international artist. So check natin. Oh, continuation sa all these ladies. Ooh! Kintab ng mga suot mga leather. Ooh! Mic is on. Woo! Synchronization kahit may pa-tumbling exhibition ng parang nagpa-tumbling. Bagay na bagay talaga yung boses ni Aki dito sa chorus ba. Ang cute nila. Ooh, grabe ang beat ng voice ni Jello. Gusto ko yung tone ng boses ni Nate. Ang ganda pakinggan. JL. Gusto ko talaga tong kanta na to. Gusto ko yung melody, yung beat nila. Plus yung dance choreo. They're really good dancers talaga. Oh guys, na-enjoy ko talaga yung performance video ng BGYO. Ang galing kasi nilang sumayaw, ang galing na mag-project. Plus ang beat, ang melody ng kanta nila, ang ganda pakinggan. Parang as I mentioned in my previous reaction sa lyric video nila na Headlines, parang ang dating nila is super expensive, plus parang tunog na international artist. So di ko in-expect guys yung performance video nila, may mic sila naka-on. So first time ata to nila naggumawa sila ng performance video na nagagamit ng mic, because usually na panood ko yung mga other performance video nila sa mga kanta nila is more like performance, dancing, singing, like music video also. Pero ito iba. Gusto ko yung mga boses nila. Bagay na bagay talaga yung nila, yung distribute ng mga lines nila sa mga boses nila ba. Plus na-impress talaga ako sa nila, dancing skills, kasi ang galing, ang gaan ng mga ang lambot ng mga katawan, plus the synchronizations. Wow. Tuloy natin. Let them cook, let them cook. It's a vibe. Wow, ang cool ng boses ni Mickey, plus yung buhok niya parang anime. Ooh. Ang cool ni Nate. Kumanta na din siya sa chorus na part ba. Talaga yung boses ni Aki dito sa chorus. Hintay na lang tayo guys sa mga music video nila na i-release nila nito, kasi nasa pa ata sila sa Yoki from Thailand. Nag-UK sila kasi nga 'di ba may ASAP show doon. Yung sa Thailand naman yung Bangkok Supersonic ata yun. Parang ang ganda din ng performance nila doon. Napanood ko yung mga clip nila sa TikTok. So there you go guys, my reaction to the official performance video of BGYO with their new song entitled Headlines. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.